Hi there, wonderful opinion writers. It's Mrs. Opfer. I'm really excited for today's opinion topic. Remember, opinions are personal. It's what you think and how you feel. Today I want to give you some clues about our opinion writing topic. Are you ready? Okay. This item is refreshing. You keep it in the freezer. It's very cold. And you can eat it on a cone. What's your guess? That's right! It's ice cream. And today, your opinion could be that ice cream is the best dessert treat. I wonder if some other friends have different opinions. I'll put my little ice cream right on there. There is another choice today that might be your favorite. Oh, it can have layers. It can be many different flavors. Chocolate is my favorite. It can have frosting. It can hold birthday candles. Okay, what do you think? Yes, you're right again. It's cake. Ooh, that looks really delicious. That's not real cake. That's just a squishy toy. But it gives us some good ideas and inspiration. So cake might be the best or your favorite dessert treat. There's one more idea I wanted to share with you. Writers do like to have a lot of different choices. You can have these with a glass of milk. Sometimes people like to dunk them in the milk. Ooh. They might be a special treat for an after-school snack. Oh, and they have 2 claps when you clap out how many syllables there are in the word. Any guesses? You got it! It's cookies. And I already opened this package because, these are my favorite kind. Friends, you might have a something else choice that's your favorite dessert treat. I want you to think about it, and then we'll get started on our writing and drawing today. This might be my favorite opinion topic so far. Let's read it together. What is your favorite dessert treat? Good job using a question voice. Could it be ice cream, cake, cookies, or something else? Remember, opinions are personal, so something else is always an option. Wonderful writers, I want you to think about our anchor chart. Opinion writers tell why they use the word because, and they use special sentence starters like I think, I like, in my opinion, I feel, and more. I want you to guess which choice I made in my opinion piece today. You are all such good guessers. I chose ice cream. Now, again, I didn't work on my picture yet. I really need to go back and do that. But that's okay, writers. You might work on writing one day and maybe a picture later on in the day or on a catch-up day like Friday. Let's read my opinion about the best or favorite dessert treat. Read with me. Remember, each word gets just one tap. I think ice cream is the best dessert treat. Ice cream is cold and refreshing on a hot day. Ice cream is so yummy. Writers, can you notice something I did well in my writing today? Pause the video if you need to think about it. Nice work, writers. Some of you noticed I used the starter, I think. Some of you noticed I used the word best. Lots of you noticed that I gave some descriptive reasons why as I explained my thinking. You might use some taste words today, some adjectives to explain your thinking. I said that ice cream was cold and refreshing. Writers, it's time to get started. We're excited to see what your favorite dessert treat is. We can't wait to hear your opinion. See you later.